EPROLO is a popular dropshipping platform, but before you decide if it's the right fit for your business, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we'll dive into 12 key points you should consider before making a purchase. Let's get into it. First thing, EPROLO offers a wide range of products from various suppliers, which sounds great at first, but you'll need to ensure that their quality and shipping times meet your standards. Compared to other platforms like Oberlo, EPROLO does have a smaller selection of suppliers, but they do focus on building a reliable network. Next thing, the platform integrates with Shopify, which makes it super convenient for anyone already using Shopify for their store. However, if you use platforms like WooCommerce or BigCommerce, this might be a deal breaker since EPROLO's integrations are more limited. It's something you need to consider before getting started. The third thing to note is that EPROLO has a private label service, which is a great option if you want to brand your products. This is a step up from other tools that don't offer this customization. But bear in mind, private labeling can require a higher upfront investment. The fourth thing is the pricing structure. EPROLO doesn't charge any monthly fees, but they do take a percentage on each sale. While this sounds good, it's something to keep in mind as your sales increase. Other services like Spocket have a flat rate fee, which might suit you better if you prefer predictable costs. Next thing, when it comes to shipping times, EPROLO offers both e-packet and express shipping options. However, e-packet can still take quite a while, and you'll want to be prepared for longer wait times if your customers are in the US or other regions with slower delivery. The sixth thing is their order management system. EPROLO offers an automatic syncing feature, which saves a lot of time on manual order fulfillment. But like with many dropshipping services, you may encounter some glitches from time to time, which can be frustrating. The seventh thing is their support. EPROLO's customer service is decent, but not always the quickest to respond. If you're looking for top-notch support, you might find platforms like Xeris to have a bit more reliability in that department. Next thing, EPROLO doesn't have a vast selection of marketing tools built into the platform. This means you might need to rely on third-party tools or Shopify apps for email campaigns, ads, and customer retention, which could add more complexity and cost. The ninth thing to consider is their product customization. While EPROLO allows you to customize products with your brand logo, the options are limited compared to other dropshipping platforms like Printful, which offers a much more expansive range of customization for your products. The 10th thing is that EPROLO is easy to use for beginners. The platform is relatively simple and doesn't have a steep learning curve, making it accessible for people who are just starting in dropshipping. This is a big advantage over more complicated systems like Salehu or Alibaba, which can be harder to navigate. Next, EPROLO's reviews are a mixed bag. While many users appreciate the range of products and ease of use, there are some concerns about supplier quality and communication. It's worth diving into reviews before committing to ensure you're okay with their reputation. The 12th thing to consider is scalability. EPROLO works well for small and medium-sized stores, but if you plan to scale to larger volumes, you might hit some limitations with their tools and customer support. Some competitors like Modelist or Spocket are more robust when it comes to handling large-scale operations. In conclusion, EPROLO is a solid option for beginners and small business owners looking for a dropshipping solution with low startup costs. But if you're looking for something that offers more advanced features or a more reliable support system, you might want to check out our recommended solution. You can even try it for free to see if it suits your needs better.